Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cookies for baby at home. First, gather your ingredients. You'll want to use very simple, natural items like ripe bananas, unsweetened applesauce, and a good quality oat flour. Remember, we are avoiding any added sugars, salts, or artificial ingredients to keep these treats perfectly safe and healthy for your little one. Now let's get mixing. Mash one ripe banana until smooth, then stir in 2 tablespoons of unsweetened applesauce. Gradually add 1/2 cup of oat flour, mixing until a soft, pliable dough forms. It should be easy to handle, not too sticky. Roll out your dough to about 1/4 inch thickness and use small cookie cutters for baby-friendly shapes. Time to bake. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully place your cut-out cookies onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Bake them for approximately 10 to 12 minutes, or until the edges are just lightly golden. Once baked, let them cool completely on a wire rack before offering them to your baby. This ensures they are firm and safe. Once your delicious baby cookies are completely cool, store them in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 3 days. If you've made a larger batch, they freeze wonderfully for up to 2 months. Just thaw them before serving. Remember, always supervise your baby while they are eating to prevent any choking hazards. Enjoy these homemade treats.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.